Namaskar, myself, Advocate Umesh Suman, my channel US Legal. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Today, the agenda of my talk is regarding current and prevailing situation of Hathras district, where the 19-year-old girl which was gang raped by the four people who belong to the upper caste. They belong to a Thakur caste, and it was the incident which gave a shock and horror to the nation of this country. And this incident was occurred on dated 14 September 2020, where the girl which was accompanied and joined with her family, and she went to the field just to cut the fodder from the field. And at that time she was joining with her family, especially her mother, brother, and father. And at that time four people, and we called them as accused, they were dragged and they were pulled her back by her behind her by the chunni. And at that time she was dragged back, and her dupatta were roped on her neck. And the incident which were happened at that time, she was gang raped by these four peoples that were known as accused. And after that she was murdered, and by these people when the injuries is occurred on her bodies. And in the initial stage she was admitted in the hospital at Jawaharlal Nehru Hospital, Aligarh. And after that she was shifted to the Safarjung Hospital, New Delhi, where she was died on dated 29 September. And when the incident was occurred, at that time first report FIR was lodged by her brother in the near police station where the incident was occurred. But what happened at that time, when the first information was reported, her brother went to the police station and narrate the story there, what was happened and what was happened to this girl. But the police were not taking any initiative at that time, and police were not lodging a FIR against these people. And 10 days has passed away, no FIR has been lodged. But after few days later the FIR has been registered. And since in the beginning 10 days no initiative was taken by the police. And after that, when the matter was crop up in the media, when the public anger and mass gathering take place, there was an allegation raising against the CM of UP, Yogi Adityanath, regarding this incident of rape and murder which was happened against this girl. And at that time police has registered a FIR, police had charged these people, and there was charges as well as allegation imposed by the police, and charge has been imposed. And the section which has been imposed by the police, that is Indian Penal Code 302 murder and 307 attempt to murder, and there is another section which has been imposed by the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1979, which has been imposed by the police against these accused. And this is a shock to the nation, this is a shock to the humanity, this is a shock to the female community in the world, because today we are living in the 21st century. After that, there is a rape and murder which has been happening in our country, and this is a horrible situation to the woman. And when she was died on 29 September, after that police has taken her dead body to the to near his home, and where in the night her body was putting a petrol on them and burn that dead body by these policemen. And at that time there was a allegation which has been imposed by her family member that her body is not given back to him or her father, and no consent is taken to him. And this act is done by the police without the consent of our family, without the consent of our brother, all the family member, because police have decided that they have to be destroy all the evidences, all the allegations, all the evidence which has been collected against these four Thakurs. And this is a sad moment, and the police administration has been miserably failed at also creating some sort of contradiction, not lodging a proper FIR in the beginning. And it's a sad moment to everyone in the society, it's a sad moment to the people of this country, it's a sad moment to the nation of this country. And we are also shocked, and after and at this time all the accused has been caught by the UP police, and they have sent to the jail, and investigation is going on. So we pray that as a human being, that justice should be given to the Dalit girl who was burned and raped by these Thakur, as well as negligent conduct of the police. And kindly like, share and subscribe my US Legal channel.